Students, this is the request video from the students who would not able to follow the Kannada notifications and Kannada for the benefit of those students who do not know Kannada, and with regard to the recent notification, there is a golden chance has been given to the students who have left the LLB course by not completing the subjects. For example, the students from various parts of the India might have joined the Karnataka State Law University to pursue their law degree and to become the prosperous advocates. And while pursuing the degree, what happens due to so many problems? Now, as you know, now we are suffering from what we call COVID-19, coronavirus problem. Likewise, there may be so many problems for the students who could not able to complete the degree, but they have completed the course. Probably you can be able to follow. There is a completion of course has been done, but they have not got the degree because there are certain subjects has been remained as backlog. And probably you can follow what is meant by backlog. There is no need to tell you. Now there is a very bright, a golden opportunity, very great opportunity given by our Karnataka State Law University. Those who have lost the hope to complete the degree and become the advocates, for the sake of those persons, those who have not completed the degree, who have not completed the backlogs and could not able to complete the degree and could not able to, they have lost the chances of writing the examination. Please follow what I am saying. It is for those students who have completed the course and they have lost the chance of writing the examination. As you know, there are certain specifications will be there. That means after the completion of the course, a certain period will be given, certain chances will be given to the students to complete the degree, to complete the backlog. So, by so many reasons, the students might have not used the such chances of writing the examination. For the sake of those students, the university has given the golden chance scheme. Only one time chance can be given to the students to complete the backlog of those arrear subjects. Please kindly follow arrear subjects. So here, what you have to follow? So with regard to these sort of things, in next February 2021, the exams are going to be scheduled and notifications are going to be issued, and you can get the examination forms and you have to pay the fees and get eligible to write the exams. So that's why students, now it is a very great opportunity for you to complete the law degree and to become the advocates. So make preparations to write the examination. Start now only. Start reading the arrear subjects. It may be anything. Make last attempt and follow our the channel. You can get what you call most likely questions, and we can guide you how to get through in the exams. So that much of the guidance will be available from our channel. So what you have to do? You have to get subscribed to our channel. So that thing if you do, you will get all the notifications. It may be with regard to the examination notification which is going to be held in the month of February 2021, or with regard to the guidelines with regard to the how to crack the KCLU examination and how to what you call get rid of the what you call this sort of the what you call the situation. So because now everybody is what you call under this Corona-19 the effect. Okay, get subscribe to our channel once again. I am saying this is a great opportunity for you. This is you will become the prosperous advocates. So that's why don't neglect this offer. The offer is very nice. That means in everybody's life, this sort of the opportunities may not come. So that's why students kindly make use of this opportunity for the prosperous career of you. So kindly subscribe to our channel. So wish you best of luck.